Oh, there's fish here as well. So we're in the orangutan exhibit with a human right there. Oh, sorry, chimpanzee exhibit. Yeah. And she's disappeared. Alright, there's a fish.
Yeah. There's always a bigger fish.
A little bit of height. There's the area exhibit. Quite cool. Going up. Pictures of chimpanzees. Sleeping.
Mama, can we go down here and see what
There's nothing down there, darling. I don't know if there's no animals down there.
That's sleeping.
Yeah, let's go.
Sleep so high up. Quite cool. Supposedly their fingerprints are similar to humans, they can be mistaken. And that's quite cool. More chimp enclosures, darker areas and the like. The family tree. This is quite cool. So cool. Honestly, it looks like a cool, like challenging course. That's a chimp up there. Quite cool.
Classic.
Yeah, stereotype. Leaves everything good for the man.
I
This is the sweetest thing in this ever.
I guess they keep it quite dim to simulate like the forest canopy would block a lot of light.
Yeah, because there's a few of them up there as well. And only the first one was quite bright. The other ones are quite dim actually.
Yeah.
I'm wondering how territorial they are. Like, you know.
They're all in families, so.
Yeah, I mean, human families are brutal. Let me put it that way. I don't think a chimp that's eating a banana. What's this? Chimp, a human hand, very easy. Chimp hand, thumb is quite long, pinky is quite short, and there's a bone here. Don't know what the hell kind of hand that is.
A Columbus monkey.
A Columbus monkey. Okay. It's missing a thumb though. The traditional Scottish weather, full of rain. It's the greater rhino, only in Nepal. And it's majestic, man. It was here a few seconds ago. I've got to zoom in now. Is it running from the rain? Nah. It's a fast little creature as well. Did you hear the low humming noise when it comes near us? And it's so cool. They're slipping. Oh wow. Did you see it slip?
You made the Rhinos sound. Oh shit, the size of that thing.
It's impressive.
Wow.
Oh wow. And it's speeding like, I think it must really love the rain. It's just running non-stop. The way it gaps, it sounds like a horse. Wow. Slipping. Oh, it's leaving now.
I think we got a good performance.
So this is the roof. It's made from like natural grassy material. Quite cool.
No, yeah.
The Rhino runs through the pond area.
Do you know where it is?
Quite cool. Quite chilly now as well. I just took a video because this right here is just quite a cool thing. I mean, there's rain and everything, but it's quite a cool belt thing. Of the drill monkeys. Diets and facts.
Well, yeah, some animals like the rhino really enjoy it. It's true.
I enjoy the rain.
Yeah?
Weird elephant penguin hybrid that may exist or may not exist. Here's the fact about it. I'm not going to zoom in any more than that. The rain's quite fast now. Oh, this is the monkey exhibit.
You were there. Up on the top, hiding in the little viewing thing.
Oh yeah, they can't really get out of focus. Right there are the monkeys are hiding from the rain.
Well, it's very good for them.
The monkey up there. Red River Hog.
Yeah, so we'll walk on your
Oh, they're quite massive actually. Meet again.
Pelicans are fucking weird.
They swallow everything. I seen a video of someone trying to make them unswallow something because it was stuck in its
Yeah.
thing. But they're cool.
It had such redness on the beaks. And a little kind of
Poke at the end.
lip at the end.
We've got a wee bracelet as well. Just to identify them, I assume.
Oh, it's for fashion.
They're huge.
Human fashion. Just the exhibit shop. Quite nice jewelry and stuff. This is where they get the cheap imported goods and they sell them for like 10 times the price.
Oh, of course.
We're getting whacked.
That's not the same about microplastics. This isn't exactly the best thing for it.
No problem. And more cute stuff. Some jewelry. Earrings and stuff. Kids' toys. Pandas are £12.50, but look at the mice. Some more stuff, dinosaurs, animals. Quite cool. Tiger with his tiger cub, figurines. Dinosaurs. Are you planning to buy anything? I think it's cool how they're selling it. Like the stuff up there is quite cool with the small figurines and stuff. It's quite cool. It's exactly replicas of the thing. Paintings as well, that's quite cool.
And then those other Christmas ones that we bought.
Flash art, panda. Quite cool. So I'm just leaving Edinburgh Zoo and there's something called Cool Jade. It's quite a cool thing I just seen. Alright, let's go cross before we get ran over. But that was just a small detail. But this is the kind of the entrance to Edinburgh Zoo is right over there to the left. Now that right there is the entrance to Edinburgh Zoo.